Welcome, first BDS SMBT Sangamner. Of course, we have a big Diwali vacation. Of course, big is a comparative word. For some students, they feel it is small. For some students, it is big. Now, what exactly you have to do in Diwali vacation? That is most important. That is why I'm putting YouTube video. Yes, you have to study all 12 cranial nerves because cranial nerves are at the heart. Then you must study all muscles of mastication. Of course, in that again mandibular nerve, maxillary artery, and other nerves. So all muscles of mastication and TM joint. So this part along with cranial nerve, and remember all abdominal organs because recently they have started asking abdominal organs. So cranial nerve, muscles of mastication, TM joint, and all organs of abdomen, thorax. Remember abdomen and thorax. This I want you to study during vacation. Now the simple process of studying cranial nerve. Now this diagram, look at this diagram. Yes, this cover almost all cranial nerves. Look here, oculomotor nerve. They are given in brief. So this diagram is like one in all. Almost 12 cranial nerves are covered. You can find such diagrams in Google image. Of course, this is the base of brain. You can see olfactory bulb, olfactory tract. So this is part of limbic system. Optic chiasma you can see. Look at my finger. So such type of diagrams should be referred, should be drawn again and again during vacation. And of course, completion of journal. Again, I have shown you just this type of diagram. So you can see abundant histology diagram which are simplified and generally they combine. For example, diagram of epithelium, multiple types of epithelium, they are combined in the same diagram. So two diagrams are expected. Suppose you are drawing squamous epithelium. So first diagram, I'm a bit slow. First diagram of center heading epithelium with all types of epithelium. This is the first diagram. Then special focus on squamous epithelium or columnar epithelium or cuboidal epithelium. I want you to read in this format. Remember, vacation, of course, you can enjoy the festival. There is no harm in it. You must enjoy rather. But in addition to enjoying the festival, you must keep one eye ahead. That is ahead of Diwali, because after that your prelims may follow, your university exam will be near. So one eye on studies must be kept. So that is why I am telling you the simply